For over 3 years, I have been publishing these short daily stock pick videos on this channel. These videos provide a level of trading transparency that we found nowhere else on social media. The trading details in these short videos oversimplify key trading concepts. To benefit new and struggling traders, I want to talk about these trading concepts. I'm going to share 14 essential lessons from these videos. These lessons have been tested publicly every single trading day since 2019 through these daily stock pick videos and will continue to be tested in future through these videos, thus demonstrating the most practical trading lessons you will ever find. For anyone skeptical, these practical lessons can easily be verified by accessing the past videos available on this channel and from the future daily stock pick videos. I will talk about these 14 practical lessons after going through today's daily stock pick numbers. A trading edge is defined as a set of conditions which result in a net gain when used over a large number of trades. In other words, an edge in trading is simply a process that allows your winning trades to add up to more than your losing trades do over the long term. A trading edge can also be seen as an inefficiency you identify in the market, which when exploited can offer you an advantage over the other players in the market. Trading edge is like the engine in your car. Without a trading edge, a trader cannot move forward with long-term profits. period. How do you develop a trading edge? Backtest your trading signals to see if they had an edge in the past. See if the signals create a positive expectancy model over different market environments when backtested. Do backtesting and study historical stock market data or charts before you ever put your hard-earned money at risk in the stock market. In my 20 years of financial trading experience, historical data of the financial markets has been my biggest teacher. It is difficult to come up with an effective trading edge. The trading edge used by the daily stock picks was developed after many years of hard work. Through these daily stock pick videos, I share transparently all aspects of my trading system except my trading edge. By definition, trading edge means having an advantage over the rest of the traders. The day everyone finds the daily stock picks edge, this trading system will stop working. Successful trading is not about predictions. Successful trading is about probabilities. In probability, there is a law called the law of large numbers. According to this law, the more times your trading edge occurs, the closer you get to the expected probability value of your edge. Let me illustrate it. A basic example of the law of large numbers is a sequence of coin tosses. When you toss up a coin and see how it lands, you either get heads or tails with an equal probability of 50% each. However, if you toss it a few times, the average outcome might differ greatly from the equal number of heads and tails. But thanks to the law of large numbers, the more tosses you produce, the closer the average outcome becomes to 50%. On this chart, you can see how the average value of the coin toss outcomes becomes closer to 0.5 as the number of experiments grows. Daily stock picks take full advantage of this law because my trading edge occurs daily and hence I trade my edge every time it occurs. You need to have an edge that occurs frequently and whenever it occurs, you trade it. This way, you will take full advantage of your trading edge. You can have all the analytical skills in the world, but if you do not have the right mindset, you will be among the vast majority of people who fail at trading. What you need most is to think in terms of probability. Why? Trading is all about making future decisions, and the future is unpredictable. Therefore, making trading decisions makes us anxious. We must do something about the unforeseeable future. We must learn to be comfortable with an uncertain future. We cannot predict what is unpredictable. However, if we adapt probabilistic thinking, we can reduce the level of anxiety. Instead of getting rid of the doubts and unpredictability, a probabilistic mindset let us live with them. For example, instead of asking, "Are you sure XYZ stock will go up?" we can ask, "How probable are you of XYZ stock going up? What percentage would you say is this or that to happen? What are the variables that may increase or decrease the probability of this or that event?" By asking these questions, you can divert from the either or mindset. Instead, you can juggle multiple probable futures and options. When you can keep in mind several likely scenarios, you can decide with probabilities and not with certainty. This is what I've learned from the book Trading in the Zone by the great Mark Douglas, the best trading book available. Mark Douglas taught me how to think in terms of probability. The bottom line is trading with an edge while thinking in probabilities. If we think of stock trading in terms of sports, where two rivals play against each other, then who are the two rivals in the sport of stock trading? One is you as the stock trader, but who is your rival? Many people would say it is the stock market. This is a very vague answer. We need to be more specific as to who we are up against. The answer is we are up against the market uncertainty. We are against the uncertainty in the financial markets. Once we know our rival, we can learn about the strength and weaknesses of our rival and hence come up with a plan of attack. Often we deal with uncertainty in our lives. For example, the weather, dealing with sickness, moving to a new country or a city. The best you can do is to prepare yourself to manage the uncertain conditions. The best you can do is to control the controllables to manage the uncontrollable. And this is exactly what I'm trying to highlight in this conversation. When you trust something, you will behave in one way. But when you do not trust something, you will behave in a different way. The trusting behaviors will come from you being in a mental position of security, confidence, and faith. You are safe. Whereas the non-trusting behaviors will come more likely from a position of insecurity, doubts, and defensiveness. When you trust someone or when you trust a process or a system, you do not perceive that person or that process or that system as a threat. And so your survival system can allow you to relax and drop your guard. To learn to trust your trades, you must be prepared to accept the possibility that some will not work as intended. If you expect 100% success rate, which is a common desire of some traders, the first loss is likely to make it very difficult to build future trust, either in your system or in yourself as a trader. You will have lost faith and so mistrust yourself and your system. So if your back testing, forward testing, or live paper trading proves that your trading system works over time, then your first step is to have faith in those results and follow the system as designed. Then perhaps with your own results and experience to rely on, you can allow yourself to trust the system and the trades it produces and build your own trading confidence. That's exactly how I developed trusting the daily stock pick system initially, and till to this day, I trust it. Remember, unsuccessful traders trust their emotions. Successful traders trust a system. The mainstream media presents financial trading through the lens of glamour. Social media is exploding with 20-somethings showing off their Rolex watches, $10,000 profit trading days. Their profiles are filled with the finest homes and luxury items that most millionaires would not dream of purchasing because it is just too expensive. Similarly, in social media, a lot of so-called trading gurus present a version of reality so that they can attract more views and subscribers and followers. My daily stock pick videos demonstrate that good trading is a routine, discipline, a keen self-awareness. It is a business with simple inputs, rules, and principles you need to follow time and time over again. Over time, the probability distribution you have worked out will fall in your favor to create true wealth. That wealth is not only financial, but also the discipline to understand the truth and the nature of yourself and how you relate to the stock market. I do not consider myself a YouTuber. I do not care about views and subscribers. As you can see, despite my genuine content and running this channel for a few years now, I have very few subscribers and views. Consistently successful trading is that trading is very boring. You follow the same routine every time you trade. You function as a robot. And it is in human nature, we need change. However, when you find a successful trading system, you need to follow it the same way every time, thus making successful trading very boring. Avoid random opinions and predictions and only trade a proven trading system with an edge. Never listen to other people. Focus on executing your own trading system. Never argue with the market. Your opinion does not matter and you cannot predict the future. Instead, focus on your trading system. And this is precisely what I follow for the daily stock picks trading system. Become an expert on your own trading strategy. Be the best at what you do. Master at least one trading strategy. You should be comfortable with things like your entries, your exits, and your position sizing. And this is exactly what I've done with the daily stock picks trading system. I consider myself a master of this strategy. Think of your trading losses as just the cost of business that allow you to be available for the winning trades whenever your trading edge occurs. When trading, set your own rules and stick to them. Have a trading plan that fits your personality and risk tolerance against the risk you will accept. On my YouTube channel, you will find hundreds of daily stock pick videos like this one. They all look the same except the daily stock picks data. Why? Because I have been following the same trading plan for years. Repeating the same process every day for so many years have made my feelings numb, which is a good thing in trading. It has removed emotions from my trading. It has made my trading mechanical. The big advantage of doing this is my emotions do not get the best out of me. My trading plan controls my trading. My emotions do not control my trading. Discipline for a trader does not differ from that of someone on a diet trying to lose weight. If you're taking the right action at the right time, there is little need or desire to deviate from the plan. But if you are not following your plan, it is easy to lose that discipline. Adhering to your trade plan is a key element to maintaining discipline. The daily stock pick videos reflect the calm, the confident, the patient mind of a successful trader. It makes staying disciplined a very simple task. Trading is a journey, and if it is a journey, you need to have a destination. Having a trading goal provides you a destination. Your trading goal provides you with a purpose. On the first day of every year, I post a video on my channel in which I declare my trading goal of the year. And throughout the year, I am consistently reviewing performance against my goal. My trading goal provides a strong purpose. Diversification is about managing traders' risk effectively. It reduces the risk profile of the trader. When diversification of stocks in the portfolio is done correctly, like daily stock picks, the combined correlation can yield profits in all types of markets, bullish, bearish, or sideways, to achieve maximum gains. Thus, it helps in creating an immensely powerful trading system. Allocate even money to all the stocks in the portfolio because despite having an edge,
You do not know which stocks will end up profitable or with losses in your portfolio. So you want to spread out your risk across your portfolio evenly. Let me conclude by saying that if you master financial trading, the market is an endless supply of money